Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some more cleaning motivation for you, and I'm going to be tackling our refrigerator. It is a mess, and with garbage day being tomorrow for us, I knew that I had to do it. It's now or never. So I am going to tackle a refrigerator, clean it out and organize it and share it with you. So if you love cleaning motivation and organizational style videos, then continue watching, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to join my YouTube family. It would mean the world to me. So on to cleaning. Okay, so first of all, don't judge the no handle. I'm hoping that we're gonna get a new refrigerator at some point, but here's the inside. Please, no judging. It is a mess. There is no organization in here whatsoever, and it's just things are thrown in. I need to go through everything, throw away things that have expired and are bad, and just get some organization back into my life.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you.
Okay, so I'm just going to fill a bowl with some of the Mrs. Meyer's soap and hot water. So we're gonna let it fill up. I'm gonna take the hot soapy water and wipe down the interior of the fridge. The shelves that I can take out and wash in the sink, I will do so in the drawers. But for the things that I can't take out, I will wash with the hot soapy water in a bowl. I'm gonna show you what the fridge looks like empty. It is a mess. Disgusting, actually. So don't know what that is. I have syrup all here. Everything needs a good scrub down, and that's what I'm going to do.
Just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get me things, but I don't care. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you.
Okay, I'm going to go through all these products before, when I'm taking them out of these containers before I wash them, to see if they're expired or not.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be
not past expiration. So I'm gonna wash the shelves that they were in so I can get all of this back into the refrigerator.
Conversations with you, with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'm on my way
I
now.
tackle all of this, and I see a lot of expired things. So let's get rid of the stuff that we don't need to re-put back in our refrigerator.
Maybe I could be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself.
These bins that I purchased a while ago from Winners in the refrigerator, and they were working great until I just kind of gave up. So they do keep things really clean. They're not actually that dirty. So I'm just gonna give them a wipe down and then make it easier to put things back into the refrigerator.
Wait now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I don't want to be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my wanna shake that ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story, wanna shape the new. Do you wanna
Okay,
come
so I'm
along
finally
with
finished
me?
cleaning the fridge, and I'm going to give you a peek at what it looks like. Much better. So as far as the organization goes, this is not ideal, but it's going to work right now. This here has like breakfast things. So there's Matt's coffee cream and Cheese Whiz and jam for the kids and a random beer, which is not breakfast, but I didn't have anywhere to put it. Then this is our Sunday kind of station. It has caramel and chocolate and light caramel and like strawberry syrups. Over here we have milk, almond milk, and blend cream. On the top here is sour cream and cream cheese and coleslaw. And down here are cream cheese blocks and butter. This is our cheese drawer, so it has all of our cheese, and then there's pepperoni sticks and egg roll wrappers. Here is our leftover drawer that we pull out. So this is chicken that we cooked, and this is some ravioli we have to eat. Over here we have a butter, hummus, whipped cream, and this is our yogurt drawer, I call it. So my yogurt, plain fat-free Greek, vanilla for the kids, and then some yogurt tubes. Our eggs we put on this thing, which is meant for soda, but we don't buy soda. Bottom shelf is completely empty for now, but I do have two of these larger bins that go on there for when we do have more produce. We do have to go grocery shopping. And this one here is our fruit. So I have clementines, pomegranate, and I put the tomatoes in there. And then over here we have all of our vegetables. So spinach, celery, green pepper, red pepper, onion, etc. Over on the door, we have bacon bits up in this one here. Then over here, just a bunch of things. Can someone tell me if French's fried onions need to be refrigerated after opening? We've never bought them before and we were unsure. So we store them in the refrigerator anyway. Parmesan cheese, and these are all our condiments. And that is it. That is what my refrigerator looks like after I cleaned it out. There was a ton, and I will show you, of leftovers in the fridge. Few expired products. These need to go in the garbage, but I'm running short on time. I have to go and get Madeline and get her over to her dentist appointment, and I was cutting it close here doing this, but I wanted to get this video filmed for you. So if you did enjoy it, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you are liking the content, then please consider hitting the red subscribe button down below and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you here at Happily Organized Chaos. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day or evening whenever you happen to be sitting down to enjoy this video. And as always, take care. We'll see you soon. Bye now.